Today, I've got this beautiful hammock that has been beautifully designed just for you at Latitude Margaritaville Watersound. Let's check it out. I love this styled kitchen. You've got quartz and gas and a beautiful backsplash with a pantry and a double oven overlooking the rest of the living space. The indoors and the outdoors become one with this perfect Florida living. I love this expansive main ensuite. Your views of the water, and you have access to the back porch right there. Just imagine being in this shower with this large, ample bathroom. This hammock is a 3-bed, 2.5 bath. And there's extra space, bonus room. See, perfect outdoor living space in this beautiful home. See this location? For more information, just look in the description below. I've got the listing link there for you. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com.